Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today is day 2 of our 60-day SSC CGL challenge. And if you guys joined me yesterday, then you know that we have embarked on a journey that requires grit, discipline and a very clear roadmap. So guys, yesterday was about setting the foundation, but today day 2 is about building the momentum. As you guys can see that the biggest mistake most aspirants make is not a lack of talent, it is a lack of continuity. So anyone can study for 12 hours for a day, but can you study for 8 hours every day for 60 days? That's where the selection happens. So stick around because today I am breaking down my entire subject wise resources list, like exactly what I am using for English, for GK, for maths, and how I am managing the schedule. So guys, before we dive into the books, I want to acknowledge something special. Today is Guru Purnima, and it is also about the mark of the beginning of the holy month of the Shravan. In the life of the student, these are not just a festival, they are reminders of the discipline. As you know, Guru Purnima is a day to be grateful for the teachers who simplify complex concepts for us, and Shravan is all about the Sankalp. So to help with the focus, I want to suggest a powerful remedy for my fellow students. Like for every morning before you touch your books, sit in a silence for the 5 minutes, chant the Om Namah Shivaya mantra, or simply focus on your breath. So guys, now let us talk about the business. How am I preparing for the English subject? My strategy is divided into the 3 pillars: grammar, vocab and the comprehension. For grammar part, I am sticking to the Bible of the CGL English, Neetu Ma'am Volume 1, and I am not just reading it, I am highlighting the exceptions. SSC loves to ask the questions on the exception, guys. The next part is editorial and reading. For comprehension, I use English Madhyam channel from Telegram. Their editorial are fantastic because they break down the grammar and the vocab within the article itself. For vocabulary, I am following the Rani Ma'am's A to Z series on the YouTube along with her book. And I have my own compilation of the most repeated words from the last 5 years of PYQs. And also practice is a non-negotiable part, so I do sectional mocks and previous year questions daily. English is about the feeling the language, and that comes from the practice, guys. So moving on to the general knowledge, we all know GK can be the nightmare, so here is how I am simplifying it. I am covering the base syllabus from the Fatman book, and it's a concise and hits the right spots for the CGL exam. So guys, tomorrow will be the part 2 for this video, so be continued for that. So guys, that is the plan for day 2, and it looks like a lot, but remember, continuity matters more than the intensity. Don't look at the mountain of the entire syllabus, just look at the next step. One chapter, one mock, one vocabulary set at a time. This 60-day challenge is not won by day 60, it's won on the day 2, day 15 and day 45 when you feel like quitting but you do not. So guys, if you like this content, then do subscribe my channel. Also comment your doubt in comment box. Thank you so much.